How many of you have spent all this freaking time creating the manicure of your dreams and then you apply top coat and this happens? You apply your top coat after stamping and spending all this time, and then you get smudge, and it is the absolute worst. So what is the best way to top coat your nail art that you spent so much time on? For those of you who don't know about the smudge-free top coat, this is a lifesaver. Okay, as you can see, I am going over this multiple times. I'm not letting the bristles glide over. I was kind of firm and I kind of pressed the bristles in, and as you can see, not a single smudge. No problems whatsoever.